All right, island hopping. There she is. Just woke up. Let's see.
We eat lunch there. And then the second is Filipino-Korean. With that time is snorkeling. And the third is going to fishing. And is snorkeling more.
Okay. Okay.
Later.
Well, I don't swim very good.
You want swimmer?
Or at all.
Okay.
So I'll just, you know, I'll hang
Anyways,
out.
our service here.
Okay.
We need in your side every time.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I am Jude together.
That's our guide. Excited? No, she's not. She's tired. She wants to go to bed. Go ahead.
Welcome to my vlog. You're vlogging?
Yeah, a little bit. Little
You're a vlogger?
bit. Everybody asked that.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Sort of. I'm gonna be now after this. Island hopping.
Yeah, kaya tagduha ti ay. Apa dia? By the way, I'm Jake day ko ma'am. Guide ko niyo rin. By the way, I'm Jake. I'm your guide today.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jake from State Farm. We're in good hands.
Judian and
Jason.
Jason.
Yep.
Nice to meet you
Nice
guys.
to meet
We're only going to 3 islands today.
Right?
So the first one is actually that's already in Bohol.
Okay.
So today we're going to Bohol, and the first one we will be having lunch there.
Okay.
And if you guys want to go swimming, it's okay. But the snorkeling thing will be done at the second island and the third one.
But do we have to do snorkeling? Or we just hang out in the
Yeah,
boat?
because if you're not going to snorkel at the second island and third one, we will be taking very long time there. So it
All right.
will be bored just by the boat.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I don't swim. That's the thing. I'm not a swimmer.
It's okay. That's why I'm here.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go swimming, guys. Again.
Yeah. Anyways, you guys will have your life jacket with you
Yeah.
all the time when you're swimming. So
Life jacket. It's all right.
no worries, okay? Ano nyo? Why dagat sila ko? Ano rin?
Oh boy.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Ano to? Jesus vlog. sorry. Jesus vlog. This is our boat. No, that's not actually our boat.
What's up?
We'll transfer to the bigger one.
I love you.
Hello guys.
Hello, vlogger. Welcome to
Oh, I should have.
Welcome to my vlog.
Oh no. Okay, hold on. I'm going to. Yeah, no, I'm going to take them off.
Let's go, Iverson.
I have water shoes.
Don't let go of
Yep.
the phone, huh? Just
Nope.
let go of the shoes.
Definitely not.
Hey, ma'am.
Who's that?
First, baby. Jonas.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do.
Your hands are good.
You have your aqua shoes?
Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah, my aqua shoes is here. Thank you.
Ako next field. Driver, driver. This is my friend Roland. Hello. Welcome to my vlog. Not my friend anymore. Okay. No. You guys, have you seen real shark? Have you seen shark?
I swam with the whale sharks.
Shark. The shark. The
Real
one
shark.
with-
Like the teeth?
Yes.
Like no.
White
No?
shark, white shark.
There.
Where? That's funny.
It's unbelievable.
It's Jaws. It's a 1 hour ride. get on board or get left behind.
What's your step? No tumbling, please.
Let me.
Oh, yep. Cute. I gotta do some of these shoes.
No jump,
Ma'am,
please.
diyan. Gunit yung taon sa
Just
kamot.
step by
Ni,
step.
kuwan, ma'am.
Hawak kayo, ma'am.
Doon ni Ferguson.
Okay. Relax. Ay, minute, ma'am. Okay.
Handa po mga
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Padol sa kamay.
Got it. Got it.
Balik.
Everybody, welcome to Smile Hopping Club and Tour. Everything enjoy for today.
Yes! 4, 1, 2, 3! Good morning.
Good morning. Bro, good morning. Captain / owner.
Thank
of
you.
the boat.
The best among the rest.
We're in good hands. I don't know if I can do that picture. I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Sometimes foreshadowing is very obvious.
Welcome to my vlog. Apparently this is everybody's vlog now, so I'm a man of the people. Everybody gets to be a star in the vlog. To fix the battery. Yeah. I can't confirm or deny that we'll be doing this shortly. That's the second island. Third island. And somewhere out there.
The first one is the farthest,
The first
like 1 hour. Have you been to Bohol?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do that picture. I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Yeah. It's a video. Mama. Kanya basketball. So, welcome to Pandanon Island.
Yes.
This is Pandanon Island. It's a part of Bohol. In front of you is a Bohol.
And that is a monkey.
Yes, Captain. Captain Carlos is here.
Yes. Good
What
morning,
can you say
guys.
about the Bohol, Captain?
Bohol is a really kind of tourist spot.
Yeah.
You know, and you see the small monkey.
Yeah.
Tarong ayah. Tarong
Yeah.
apa?
See you. See you.
Thank you, Captain.
Thank
you.
Welcome, guys.
I'm sorry, sir.
Thank you.
I'm a blogger. I like blogger.
I like blogger.
Blogger not like me.
So it's high tide with shallow water, so maybe we go swimming? Or drowning or floating, who knows? My stuff. All this stuff.
Yes. Like spicy food.
Oh yes, I do. I don't know, do you like spicy food?
Our food is Korean style. Korean style, so mostly spicy. But we have the main dish, the barbecue. Everything,
Why don't you stop? The GoPro is acting weird. Because it's not stopping, the button is not working.
Sir Jason? You hold me. I hold you, Sir Jason.
Yep, I
Slowly,
got it,
Sir
I
Jason.
got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jason, you okay?
I'm good, I survived. He's a funny guy, he's a funny guy. I like him. America. Yeah. Filipino life. This is Island 1 of hopping. We're gonna enjoy the beach a little bit and then maybe get into some of this crisp water. I don't know, maybe. And eat lunch and then snorkeling if I have to. Next one, and then parasailing on the third one. Looks good. Cannot wait. Yes. Can't go too deep because I have my bag on me, but absolutely. I have to see it. That's cool. You should bury me. No? She doesn't want to do it. She's tired.
You're
a YouTuber?
Yeah, video editor mostly, but I have my own
Nice.
channel and I produce them. But I'll definitely be producing these. for
Like
myself. Travel recently. I used to produce a travel vlog for how long in the Philippines for? This is gonna be my 4th week. 4th week, nice.
Wow.
That's a long time. Lunch
Just to go.
was delightful.
Do you like the barbecue?
The Korean barbecue?
Yeah.
That was delicious. It was spicy, sort of, and they had mango. All the mango that I wanted. No sticky rice though, but it's okay. You know, we can't be pampered like that. But it was delicious. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
It's good. Now we're gonna go to Island 2 for, I don't know, snorkeling. I don't know if I'm doing that because I just ate. And then parasailing. And apparently fishing. We'll see what happens.
Fishing.
No, just use mine first. Just go by the boat. Take off your use my slipper.
No, I can walk barefoot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll walk barefoot. It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. No.
It's up to you, sir. It's up to you.
I'm a man.
Okay. All right.
Okay, there we go. Thank you. You go first.